Hello, how are y'all doing? I am going to do a super quick coverage on my face and wanted to go live and show y'all. Y'all see I don't have anything on my face right now. I've only done my moisturizer, but I'm just going to take a beauty blender that I need to sanitize today. And look at this super cute little one I found. It came in like a pack of 3 or 4, and it's perfect for the concealer under your eyes. So what I'm going to talk about is 2 products today that I am currently loving. Obviously, the CC cream is a color corrector. Hey, Chastity. So I'm just going to use some CC cream. I'm hiding in my bedroom. We're going to count down the seconds to see when a child is going to walk in. So we have a couple of really awesome concealers as well. They're high coverage concealers that are liquid. You can use it for a variety of different things. You can use it to highlight. You can use it to hide blemishes or imperfections, dark circles. So we have the liquid one, and I actually got a new color in that I was wanting to try with y'all. Hope y'all are doing great. We also have this new stick. So the stick is awesome. This is actually an orange-based concealer. So I know a lot of y'all have mentioned to me that you suffer from either dark circles or discoloration under your eyes or anything like that. You need an orange-based concealer to cancel out the purple and the dark. So it sounds weird if you've never tried it before. So usually what I say, if you have dark circles or anything like that you're trying to correct, you can do an orange-based concealer before you do your foundation to give you that flawless coverage. I don't really have dark circles. I have a little bit, but I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do. So the CC cream also has a color corrector in it. A little bit goes a long way. It comes in like 4 different shades, but y'all see how red and kind of like splotchy my face is. So it, like I said, a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, and I just kind of like dab it all around here, and it's going to really even out that coverage. And so I was wanting to try, I'm not wearing obviously a whole lot of makeup because there's nowhere to go, but I do sometimes just like to have a little something on my face. The CC cream is perfect, this or the BB cream, because it has a built-in SPF already in it. We are working on getting that on the bottle, but it takes a while to get through the FDA process to do that. But the CC cream has an SPF of 25. The BB cream has an SPF of 15. So we've been outside a lot, so I have been trying to put something like this or a tin of moisturizer or something just on my skin just to give me a little bit of extra coverage while we're outside playing and trying to get some fresh air and some sunshine. But can y'all see like how easy this goes on? I'm just using a beauty blender and I'm kind of like dabbing it all in. If you are using a sponge or a beauty blender, make sure it is damp, because that way it doesn't soak up all your product, because you're wanting to put the product all over in your face and make it kind of like go into your pores and all that too. But isn't that pretty? Like, I love it. So simple everyday look. So I'm not wearing eyeshadow or anything like that, but now I just kind of have an all over like really pretty healthy glow. So my shade that I use in my concealer is usually, I think it's called Pure Beige. But I got in the light ivory yesterday, so I wanted to try this one because I'm actually going to try to use this one as a highlighter today. But I also want to show you how awesome this is. So do you use a primer if you wear eyeshadow? Let me know in the comments, because we have a really awesome primer for an eyeshadow. If you use Urban Decay, or I think it's called not Urban Decay, it's MAC. It's called a MAC Paint Pot. If you have like veiny eyelids, discolored eyelids, or anything like that, an eyeshadow primer is going to be your BFF, because it's going to give you an overall like even tone to do your eyeshadow colors and everything. But I'm going to try this new concealer color under here on my eye, and I want to see what this coverage is going to look like. So I mean, you can use a concealer as an eyeshadow primer. I'm just using it because I want to see what my coverage looks like. So this is the light ivory. Can y'all see that difference? Obviously, I'm not got very veiny eyes, but I just really wanted to see what it was going to look like. I'm going to use this as a highlight under my eye too, and I'm going to show y'all how I do that. But this has a really creamy texture, so if you have maturing skin or anything like that, and you have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles, this is one of the best concealers I've ever used because it doesn't settle in the lines. Like it's great. Like you can use it, like I said, as a color corrector beforehand if you need that. It comes in like 10 different shades to have the perfect shade for you, and if you need help picking what your just let me know what your problem areas are and I can make some suggestions. So okay, now I'm gonna try to do a highlight under my eye. So I'm just gonna kind of do it all around like this, and I'm gonna use my finger initially. So if you are a tired mama, a working mama, right now I feel like we're really tired in our house. We're staying up too late because there's nothing to do. We're binging shows. But if you have like dark circles or anything like that that you're trying to conceal, a highlight under your eye is going to make you just look so much more awake. It makes you look vibrant. It makes you look like you're not suffering from sleep deprivation, you know? I feel like that's the story of mom life. Okay, can y'all see a difference? I can tell a difference. I know the lighting's terrible in here because, like I said, hiding from children. But, I mean, that's it. So, here is a stick. This stick is about to come out in different shades as well. I'm excited about that. If you have if you're not super fair complected, or if you have dark circles, this is perfect for that because it has an orange base. However, if you have a medium skin tone, you could totally use that one. We're about to get the classic ivory I used on this side in a stick form as well. So I think I'm just going to top it off. Where'd my mascara go? I'm just going to top this off now with mascara and a clear lip plumper gloss. It kind of tastes like peppermints. That is it, y'all. That's all you need. A really good CC cream and a really good concealer, and you can like make it happen with your face. You can get that flawless face. So how many of y'all already use a concealer? Because I've never been super big on concealer, and I think that's really because I've never found one that I really liked the texture. Like I felt like it made my lines and wrinkles worse, or I feel like it just didn't give me that lasting coverage that you need from a concealer, right? But I truly do love it. I feel like it's a probably becoming one of my most favorite products. So I have 4 products on my face. I have CC Cream Concealer. Now my favorite go-to mascara and a clear lip gloss. And that's all I'm going to wear today because we ain't going nowhere. Y'all stay home. Y'all stay safe. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. And thank you for entertaining me for the morning. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.